Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be very interesting video because in this video I'm going to share tops under 500 from Ajio.
I will make it very simple. I will talk about size, brand, price, and the rating of that product. So without further ado, let's get started. So I chose various products which are under 500. They are like crop top, short, or normal medium size top. So some of the packages are on the way. I will make second part of this video. Our first product is this mauve shade top. This is medium size top, like not a crop and not so long. It is just you can tuck this top in your jean and add this in our summer collection also, because the color is very soothing and you can wear it in the summers. The fabric of this top is very good, like we can easily wear this in summers. This is a pure cotton. I'm in the size extra small, and the price for which I bought this product is $2.94 only, and the brand is Fig, F-I-G, Fig. It is a type of little bit of drop shoulder type. So yeah, this is the perfect top for summers, I can say. I will give this top like 8 out of 10. Our next top is this camel colored crop top. I just love this color as well as this top. You can see this is like a unique one. The style of this top is like amazing. So I'm in this size medium in this, and the price of this product is $4.20, and the brand is Clothesy. You can also add this top in your wardrobe, like in summer collection. This is like great top for you. You can pair this crop top with black jeans. I will give 9.5 out of 10 to this top. Our next top is this cherry colored t-shirt which have this style, this v-neck. So the brand of this product is Chimpanzee. It is like a little funny name. Okay, so brand is Chimpanzee. The price of this product is $317 only, and I'm in the size small. So basically it looks so great on you. Like, look at this thing. This is like a slit, and you can wear it with any like light jeans, blue jeans, or you can also wear this with black, or basically you can wear this with straight jeans. I will give like 9 out of 10 to this top. Let's move to our last top, which is this. This is not a crop top, but like you can see, this is not like not a brown, not a dark maroon, but it is a combination of both. I'm in this size small, and the price of this one is $3.95, and the brand is Malhar. The complexion after wearing this will be very amazing. This top is also in cotton material, so I will give 7 out of 10 to this one, because I think due to wash it will fade accordingly, I think so, and I'm not sure about that. And yeah, that's it it for today's part 1. I hope you will like this video. Do not forget to watch part 2 of this video. I will upload this part 2 in few days, like within a 4 to 5 days. If you want me to create such videos on clothes, makeup or skincare products and all, then please comment down below. I will try to make all the videos which you will suggest me. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, then do not forget to thumbs up and please hit that red subscribe button. And if you want more such updates regarding my channel and regarding the videos of mine, so please hit that bell icon also along with subscribe button. And please share this video with your loved ones. Yeah, bye bye.